Today we will show you Gaucho Grill's special prime picanha with homemade chipas. We will start by cutting our picanha in steaks. Then we will insert them in the spade. In a hot grill, we will cook them for 5 to 7 minutes per side with some salt and pepper. For our classic chipas, we will mix 500 grams of manioc starch, 200 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of fontina cheese, 75 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Once we have our dough, we will separate it in buns, let it rest in the refrigerator for 40 minutes, and cook them at a strong oven for at least 15 minutes. Once we have everything ready, we will add some lemon, hot peppers, criolla sauce, and some chimichurri special Gaucho Grill sauce. And like this, we have the perfect prime picanha with chipas for you to enjoy.